Okay, so this is how to solve today's maths Padlet. So, as I told you before, you could look at the answers of your classmates, okay? Look for the exemplary answers. But if you need a step-by-step, then please watch this tutorial. So basically, what you need to do is you need to, okay, expand, okay, this two expressions first. So expand. And then after you expand, you need to simplify. Okay? So when you expand, you are, okay, distributing or multiplying 3 to everything inside the bracket. To take note, I am also encircling the sign. Okay? Make sure that you encircle the sign as well. So this would be 3 times 4x squared. So we can multiply the coefficients. So that's 3 times 4 is 12. And since x squared has nothing to multiply with, we just copy it, x squared. Okay? And then we do 3 times 9. 3 times positive 9 gives you positive 27. Okay? And we do the same thing here. Okay? So take note that this is negative 5. Okay? Negative 5. Okay? This is positive 2x squared, negative 6x, and positive 8. Okay? So let's do the first one. Negative 5 times positive 2x squared. Again, multiply the numbers. You have negative 10. And since x squared is by itself, bring it down. Okay? Now, this is the tricky one where a lot of you made the mistake. Negative 5 times negative 6x. So we know that if you are multiplying, okay, multiplying or dividing, okay, this is only for multiplying and dividing only, okay? If the signs are the same, negative times negative or negative divided by negative, positive times positive or positive divided by a positive number, the answer will always be positive. Okay? If the signs are the same, it's positive. If the signs are different, okay, multiply different signs or negative divided by positive or positive divided by negative. If the signs are different, you will always end up with a negative answer. That's why look at this. Negative 5, positive, negative 5 and positive 2. So the answer is negative 10. See, negative times positive gives you negative. Now look at this one. Negative 5 times negative 6. So what will the answer be? It will be positive 30 and bring down the variable x. Okay? And then lastly, okay, you have negative 5 times positive 8. Okay? So look at that. Negative 5 times positive 8. Negative times positive. So the answer will be negative. Negative 5 times 8 is negative 40. Okay? So this is the expanded. Okay, let me highlight the expanded in green. So this is the expanded. Okay? So now look at it. Can we simplify? So what do I mean by simplify? To simplify an expression, okay? To simplify an expression, you need to look at like terms. And just to remind you, like terms mean same variable and index. Needs to be same variable and index. Or they have to be constants. Okay? Now let's look at the equation here. are there any like terms? Okay, are there any terms that have the same variable and index? Look at it carefully. Okay, we have 12x squared and negative 10x squared. Why? Because you have the same variable x and the same index squared. So we can simplify that. So let's do that now. You end up with 12x squared minus 10x squared is equal to 2x squared. Okay? Please note, when you are adding or subtracting like terms, the variable and the index remain the same. The only thing that will change will be the coefficients that you added or subtracted. Okay? The variable remains the same. If you are multiplying or dividing, the index will change. When you're adding and subtracting, the index remains the same. Okay? Any other like terms? Okay? 27 and negative 40 because they are constants. So let's put that together. 27 minus 40. Okay? So since 40 is greater than 27, I can just subtract, okay, 40 minus 27. So you have 13. Now, since the greater number, okay, remember this, since the greater number has the negative sign, then the answer here will have the negative sign. So this is equal to negative 13. Then we have the only term that has just a coefficient in x, plus 30x. Okay? So this is the final answer. Okay? So we expanded here. And we simplified here. Okay? So if this was not your answer, I want you to look back. Where did you make the mistake? Okay? Where did you make the mistake? Also look at the other answers in the Padlet. Okay? Okie dokie. Please prepare for your CFU tomorrow. Bye-bye.